Alright, Dan. You might want to stand over here. It's a little, look, see, right here, if you press over, right here, push it over a little bit, it'll zoom in, see?
Yeah.
Push it back, it'll zoom out. And if you go up, it'll become lighter, go down, become darker.
Mm-hmm.
Alright? So,
I guess
don't press anything, just make sure you don't press down on it. Just go left and right with it to zoom in and out. You counting? $20. You start. Ben, how are your calluses? Pretty good. It's gonna be a huge timber, dude. You know. That one's even huger though. Whoa, Ben. What is that? Where am I at? Oh, 32. $36.
You've been chopping down the tree for like 2 minutes.
Hit you in the sack.
It did?
Ben, I think that's 46. You got some more. No, that was like 40. 46 I counted.
It hit me in the sack?
Yeah, there's all the chips.
Yeah, I would know if it hurt.
Gloves down. Now we get another 50, it'd be twice that much. It'll be halfway. Hey. Stupid hit. Dan, you can look around with it. You don't have to stare at the tree. Just do whatever you want with it.
Shit. Thing's huge.
Alright, let me see it. Let me see the camera. Yeah, let Ben do this. Just show him how to use it, Dan.
You just focus in. This is to zoom in. Or either way, I don't know.
Show it, Dan. Don't press down on it, then. Just say stop. Chopping down this one right here. I'd say it's a good 100 feet.
120.
Yeah, at least 120. Here comes the red. Alright, stop for a second. This is what we got. 75 chops. That's about a quarter into the tree. Alright, you zooming in and out? Yeah. Alright, about a quarter. Cindy, you know if you go up and down you can adjust the light, like if it's darker light. Hey, how long can this record for? Like half an hour. Half an hour? It's someone you're getting tired.
It'll be like 90% done when you start. Zoom in.
It's friggin' high. And we're hoping that it's going to timber out that way. Break that friggin' thing in half. See, before we came out here, we cut down 4 other trees, and our record was about a 10-minute chop down, which is about the same size as this tree, maybe a tiny bit smaller.
Hey, can I take some wax?
Sure. Alright. We got Dan handling the axe now. Alright, well he's getting set up, I'm gonna go show some of the other trees we chopped down previously. This was our second tree. Right here. As you can see.
Hey, Rob,
Chopped that one down. And our other tree is a big, tall, skinny tree. A cedar. Right here. It's harder than it looked too. Goes all the way up there. This tree was about 150, 125 feet tall. Alright, let's go check in on Dan. And we cut down some smaller trees, like this one. You can see this tree right here fell onto that tree. And we cut down another cedar tree in the woods across the bog out there. That one was our first tree. And here's the weapon of choice, old silver. And here is our saw, 2-person hand saw, good quality. Friggin' wood chips smacking me in the face. It's tiring, isn't it?
tell me when, Dan, when you're done.
See how far we got so far. We're getting a good whack in there. After we're done with the side, after his 50's up, then going to my 50. We'll probably start chopping away on the side of it right here. Maybe get the the saw, and just try to saw through it halfway. Dude, this is gonna be a friggin' far fall, dude.
No, I'm videotaping the fall.
Alright.
How's the side?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Friggin' exhausted.
5.
Alright, it's my turn. Someone take over the video camera.
I got it, man.
Hey. Oh yeah. Hey guys. Watch out, man. Here comes Big Papa.